Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Raza and I am an HSC professional. Right now I'm going to discuss further interview questions on permit to work system. The next question is what are conditions lead to an cancellation of work permit? Means when a work permit will considered as cancelled. In an event of emergency, all permits will be cancelled within the area affected by emergency. Additionally, as specified by incident commander. When a change occur in work activities or site condition that could potentially create damage to equipment or facilities, disruption in operation or harm to environment, the permit will automatically considered cancelled. The next question is when a work permit is cancelled or issuer stop work, uh, what he should do. After permit is cancelled or issuer stops work, he must obtain work permit, write on the permit the reason for the work cancellation, the time and the other relevant information. The next question is what should be done to resume work when a work is stopped, permit is cancelled. Corrective measure must be taken to correct deficiencies, observations, mistakes, and when all deficiencies have been corrected, new permits shall be obtained to resume work. For emergency affected permit, when all clear goes on, obtain the new work permit. The next question is can emergency work be authorized without work permit? Uh, yes, absolutely. Emergency work can be authorized, allowed without applicable work permit under the direction of incident commander, and work activity shall follow all Saudi Aramco safety rules and standards, normally applicable for specific emergency situation. Remember, emergency work can be described as the work which is performed to control the abnormal situation, that is of emergency situation. Also, the work cannot be done without work permit but with authorization of an area owner. The next question is how permit is closed. By signing the or by signing of both issuer and receiver in closing section of permit form, work permit is closed. When the work is finished, work crew have to left area or permit duration expires. The permit is to be closed. Is signing in permit is only criteria requirement to close permit, means is without signing by issuer and receiver a permit can be closed. When distance and remoteness make signing impractical, an alternative closing method is determined and stated on the work permit when it is issued. Next question is in what condition a permit is considered invalid, means cancelled, and work cannot be continued. When given duration of permit is expired, mean when time is finished, permit must be kept in record, and by whom. Answer is for 3 months by issuer, means proponent organization. Better if receiver, means contractor can keep his copy for 3 months, but it is not mandatory for receiving end. This is it. Hope you have understand the conceptual headline answer for interview questions with respect to occupational health and safety. Feel free to contact in case of any query. Thank you.